The first item we'll be looking at is going to be the auto fill sheet. So that allows us to then change how our entire document is sitting and looking. So if we have a look at this example document that I've pulled out, right, we can see that the words in the columns are taking up a lot of space, and it makes the wording in each of these columns and rows look very odd and very not nice, right? And how we would fix this, if we wanted to go use normal Excel, we would have to go and select each of these sheets and go and double click on here. Now, what we've allowed you to do with the order toolbar is to do that for both the rows and the columns with one simple click, right? So if we navigate to the order toolbar and we have a look over here in the quick formatting section, we will see that on the right hand side, the very first item available is this Autofit sheet. And simply by clicking that, we'll be able to get our sheet cleaned up and looking much better. Now, one thing we have to note with AutoFit Sheets, right, is that it will do its best to try and clean up that information. But if some of the information, as we can see here, hasn't been cleaned up, that might be because it is under wrap text, right? So we can then go highlight this entire column, click on wrap text, and that will clear that out a little bit better. But we can now see that the cell ends before the word ends, whereas before with the rest of them, it will actually open that up. What we can then do is again, just click on AutoFit Sheet, and we can then see this column has now been cleared up and cleaned a little bit more. Perfect. That's how simple AutoFit Sheet function works.